All right, again, number 8 of Unit 7 review. All right, let's read it. What is the y-coordinate of the ordered pair that satisfies this system of linear equation? Okay, the first equation is 5x minus y equals to 4. That's first equation. Okay, the second equation, all right, is x plus y equals to 2. All right. Now, if you look at the first and the second equation, they are written in the same manner, all right, and we call it standard format. What do you think of the y terms? They're exactly the same, right? You have y and y. Look at this. I'm going to put them inside sort of like a squiggly circle. All right, y and y. So that's exactly what you need to find. You need to find if they have, let's say, x term or y terms being similar. And in this case, it's y term. All right. And if you recall, all right, if I have a 5 and I have a 5 over here below it, look at this, right? What do I do to make those two numbers eliminated, okay, or 0? All right. Do I add or do I subtract? Well, we subtract, right? So we found out in the class that if they have similar signs, we subtract. And if we have different signs, okay, look at this. If they have different signs, let's say, okay, what do I do to cancel, okay, positive 5 and negative 5? Okay, well, I add. Okay, you want to add to make it 0, okay? All right, so since the signs here, let me change my color again. Since the signs are different, okay? Well, I haven't changed it to black yet. Since the signs are different, so we want to add. So let's add. All right, so if we add, if you are adding it, it's going to look like this. I want to change color right now. All right, I want to use the blue. So we say 5x plus x is going to be what? It's going to be 6x. Okay, and of course you know that negative y and positive y, they cancel each other. They're gone, eliminated. All right? So now we say, okay, 4, okay, plus 2 equals to 6. Okay? So then we divide both sides by 6. Divide both sides by 6. So x equals to positive 1. All right? Now let's look at the question again. What is the y coordinate? We're looking for y coordinate. Just because we found x already, we don't want to stop. We need to find the value of y. Well, guess what? Now that we found x, we need to substitute it or plug it into one of the original equation, right? And I would choose to plug it into equation number 2. So I'm going to draw a line here, an arrow, okay? Line and then arrow on the end. I'm going to copy. As I copy it, I'm going to solve for y. And that equation says x. Oh, x is 1. See that? 1 plus y, okay, equals to 2. All right, so to make y alone, subtract 1, okay, and they cancel each other. All right, so y is now isolated, and 2 minus 1 is 1. All right, so the coordinates are, okay, 1, comma 1, and it's asking us for the value of y of the coordinates, so the answer is D. All right, good job. We'll see you shortly. Bye.